If your Canon LiDE scanner, like the LiDE 300 or 400, is showing error code 2005633, it's likely a USB communication issue or a hardware fault with the scan bar. First, ensure the scanner is powered on and the USB cable is securely connected to both the scanner and a different USB port on your computer. Try both 2 and 3, 0 and 3, or ports. Use the original Canon USB cable to avoid compatibility issues. Next, toggle the lock switch on the scanner's base a few times, ensuring it's unlocked. Restart your computer and scanner after this. Download and install the latest driver and IJ-Scan utility from Canon's official website, support YASAA. Uninstall any existing drivers first via control panel devices and printers, then reinstall with the USB cable unplugged until prompted. Disable USB Selective Suspend in Windows Power Settings. If the scan bar rests at the hinge side, not button side, it may indicate a hardware defect, as users report this as a common issue. A temporary fix some users found is pressing the auto scan button rapidly when the bar reaches the bottom, though this often fails long term. If the error persists, contact Canon support at 1-800-652-666 or register your device at My Canon, USA Canon.com for warranty options, as the scanner may need servicing or replacement.